How to make a security evaluation without animal testing. In classical pharmacology, animals used to be considered essential, and they were used not only to check the effects of pharmacological substances, but also to explore future possible alternatives for new therapies, as in the studies with botanical extracts. The animals used to be exposed to different substances in order to learn its possible effects. But, very often, these studies were made without a complete chemistry characterization of the materials under investigation. Thus, the molecular comprehension of the observed phenomenon did not happen. Besides, it is known that in most of the cases the effects that a substance causes in a species are not the same it causes in another. However, with technology upgrading, new alternatives to animal testing have been available. With such methods, it has been possible to better understand the mechanisms and the biological effects of the tested substances. A molecular characterization allows us to identify a mixture composition, the intrinsic features of its components, and also its physical chemistry properties. An in silico evaluation allows us, through computational analysis, to predict biological and toxic effects to human being and the environment. An in silico evaluation, made through laboratory experiments, is intended to understand the behavior and reactivity of the substances, the mixtures and formulations in study. An in vitro evaluation uses biological materials, monolayer, three-dimensional and organotypic cell cultures, to check the substances' interactions that are being studied with the different biological systems. An ex vivo evaluation uses surgical excerpts from donators, what makes it possible to evaluate the affinity of the substances with those tissues. We should also consider the contact pathways and the amount of the substances that people will be exposed to. Evaluation in intellectus is a concept created by Instituto Harris. Evaluation in intellectus is a strategy and methodology to approach and integrate all the knowledge mentioned above. Instituto Harris has as its main premise the effective use of gathered knowledge to deeply understand the object that is being studied, identifying and measuring its real risk. Thus, based on strong scientific foundation, it is possible to take decisions for consumer safety management without animal testing. This is the approach of Instituto Harris, the only Brazilian company specialized in safety assessment of ingredients and cosmetics without using animals. If there is knowledge and technology in several science fields in which an intellectus methodology can be used, then we make the following question: is animal testing really necessary? We do not think so,